Hello viewers, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, this is video 4, we are now looking at how we can use charts, to analyze all the data visualization using Microsoft Excel. So tackling our question of Smart Core Technologies sales analysis. I've reached on part 5 where we're supposed to create a column chart, so the total revenue per product, and we add a chart title and axis labels. Let's see how we can do that one. Go to your Excel, they want a chart for the product, so I select the column for product, I only select product and the products. I also want to get the revenue for products, total revenue for product, place. Then I release the control button. I go to insert. I look for the column chart. Column chart. Let me bring the recommended one. I say okay. I've inserted now column chart. But remember, they want us to give it a title of column chart shows the total revenue per product. Let me bring that one as the title. Come here to my title and do some edits. Total revenue per product. I add axes. Axis title. Horizontal one is a products. Product sort. Then I also bring the vertical axis title, which is showing that this is money, but it's maybe the amount, amount, but it's in UGX. It's in UGX. Is it? So this is our chart, it is showing the product, total revenue per product. Let's go back. So on the next question, we are supposed now we have added chart titles, we have added axis labels, and now we also done data analysis. Let's see how data analysis using this graph. Answer this question, identify the best selling product. Using the graph, you can see we have laptops. They are best selling products because they are bringing in too much money. But if you treat it in terms of numbers, still you can see flashes are sold too much. 75 flashes sold too much, but there's with little money coming in from flash. And what would you do? Suggest the recommendation to improve the sales. Here, of course, the recommendation would be you suggest any marketing sales, any marketing idea that maybe you can use for advertising. You can use WhatsApp. Use WhatsApp, for business. WhatsApp for business. What any other? Instagram. What any other to market your products? TikTok. What any other? Website, that you can improve the sales. Thank you very much. That has been a series of how we can tackle this question and the expected competences from this question that we're supposed to assess. That was the data entry and formatting, using formulas and functions, then data visualization and interpretation of results. That's what we have tackled in this video for this time of Excel. Okay, thank you very much. If you'd like information like this, okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.